Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will be showing you how to fake your location on Snapchat 2023. First of all guys, as you can see, I'm on iOS, so this tutorial will only work on iOS. Of course, you can use it on your Android mobile if it has the same options. So, first of all guys, I will need you to go to App Store and get Snapchat, which is pretty much easy. Go to here, search for Snapchat. As you can see, just download it if you don't have it and update it if you don't have an update. So the next thing guys I want you to do is simply go to settings, and from here guys I want you to go, so it will be something like that. Here's some stuff for your settings, etc. So I want you to go to the application section, so go all the way down and search for Snapchat. So let's search for it. Here we go, and here it is. So here we go. Now guys, as you can see, allow Snapchat to access your location. So first of all, let's turn it on. So here it is always. That's pretty much it. So how we can now fake our location. So now Snapchat actually knows where we are. So how we can make it fake our location to give a wrong location about us. So pretty much all you need to do is click on this precise location. So what it does exactly is when it's turned on, it will allow application to use your specific location, but when it is turned off, apps can only determine your approximate your location, so they will only know where you might be, not where you are. So only like you are like somewhere in New York, they will be like you are in New York, but they will not like determine the street, the house, the apartment, so go on like the details about it. So yeah guys, that's how you can fake your location on Snapchat. As you can see, you just have to go to settings, search for the application which is Snapchat, go to location, and then turn off the precise location. So hey guys, that was it for today's video. If you enjoyed, please leave a like, and thank you guys for watching.